In today's video, you will learn how to make an aloe shampoo bar. Do you know what that is? It looks like soap, but has characteristics and properties that are beneficial to your hair. Almost everybody takes care of their hair, and the cosmetic industry is always releasing hair products with many benefits. Have you noticed that? However, most products are full of chemical substances that cause allergies, irritations, and even damage the hair. But you can choose products that are natural and more sustainable, like our aloe shampoo bar. If you follow our channel, then you know how important aloe vera is for the hair. You also have heard the many benefits that aloe offers for the skin and hair. If you don't know, watch the suggested video. But did you know you can make a shampoo bar at home using aloe vera? Some of the advantages of using a homemade shampoo are: naturally hydrates and keeps the hair hydrated for longer, avoids allergies and health issues in the scalp, improves the texture and health of the hair, reduces dandruff and hair breakage, keeps the hair color more vibrant. Phew! See? Using this natural aloe shampoo will hydrate, strengthen, and grow your hair faster and healthier. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Write down the ingredients: 1 aloe leaf, 1 tablespoon fresh rosemary leaves, 17.6 ounces glycerin soap bar, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons sweet almond oil, 5 ounces filtered water. Directions: peel the aloe leaf, extract the gel, and put it in a container with water for a few minutes to remove aloin, a toxic substance that can cause skin irritations. Then put the gel in a blender, add the rosemary and lemon juice, and blend until smooth. If you notice the mixture is getting thick, paste-like, add some water and blend again until it gets smooth and turns into a gel. After that, put this mixture in a double boiler, and once heated, add the glycerin bar, sliced or grated. Mix until the glycerin melts completely. Add the almond oil and transfer the mixture to a rectangular mold. Let it harden. Cut in the size you want and wrap it in waxed paper. Store your soap in a dry, cool place and avoid exposing it to the sun. Now you can use it. With your hair wet, rub the shampoo bar over the head and gently massage to make sure it penetrates the scalp. Let it act for 15 minutes, then rinse with clean water to remove the excess. You can also do a final rinse using apple cider vinegar to balance the acidic pH of hair. Once your hair is dry, you will notice it softer, shinier, and with its cuticles firmer. It is recommended to use this shampoo 3 times a week. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.